Many anum met you be a wow with Magina Subia, and then you bring the year beam. Na me start no met yes a phone in 2,000 defenders are omufro mupem e de omo fundraising aba minia Abraham Ben Mose or ye adwuma a sabe or boy nuanum bi ye nyina ye kan ye maame nom ye nuanum omo ntene message no Abraham ti ase minia e wacho support no e ma ye ntwen e ma Abraham enwu e ne aba ba tire biographies ahodo afa ne ho e me ye ntwen e ma Abraham o mfrim ansa waba begyina wa ye na dakaka mafa ni weka mafa nipa ne ti ase onye nipa mwa ama meme ne wo maame no ye nuanom omo ntene message no o manya benefit afiri so de memnum yi no ye nya no minia sabe ye ka se brabe join 2,000 defenders na e fundraising na ye eno ase ofiri wo pemu ba minia fundraising no memfa me de ntwen na ya kire obabi ade beto na waba ba kanipa 2,000 ho ye pe CSF TV sabe enye se ye fundraising e de akoye ade a ehun hia ye pese ye nya CSF TV ema ye nya Abraham was spreading message no ema ni duru ya maame no na sofo yi o ma mfa ho empu o mo minia be part of this na ye mienu ye nkambom ye achieve this goal ye great o de message no eno na ye ba best ene ye CSF church service anu wa dine minia we ye dede ye ni Nigeria sofo bi ene ne ba be di dwuma nto de oba na wa ma onu aso nsa ka bi na oba be hwe na enso minia ubetimi ahwe enso live e wo YouTube yes ubetimi ahwe live e wo YouTube CCNT anu wa dine CSF ye nya bre si ebenya TV no am ye ni Abraham Ben Mose am na spreading message no am ye maame no political issues social issues bibibia ye be baba yi en start di magi no what's up for yes baba ya what's what you think I make us
Just put yourself together and get out. That is, live a purposeful life. Why would a young girl? You are young. Look, when I'm going home, my son, a lot of young girls are doing prostitution on my streets in East Legon. And I stopped one day to talk to one of them with my security people. I stopped and I said, call this girl for me. And when I engage her, she's doing prostitution just to buy clothes.
My God.
Yes, that is it. Yes, just to buy clothes. That is how some of our sisters, Christian sisters, they behave. Or no bema back or that because a person yesika to go to any sasikano. Ubet me dia started. Ubet me dia started so below. Ubet me dia started your kogari. Rollins mame not on your kagari. Into to your kogaria and channel. So what I say? In Penfosa or Brimpombi and Asafre, Nasa, on teaching. What's that? Don't obio. Anything that starts on a gradual process, it became bigger. Listen, Coca-Cola, almost started Coke, and the whole year, they sold 25 bottles.
The whole year?
Yeah, the whole year. Adie bi ebe jinebi, adie bi ebe kesebia, na sasye eye ding. But if you are purposeful, you try. And then baby nations of the world amakobia cocoa. Islamic world cocoa, Christian world cocoa, secular world cocoa. But coke for started the manufacturers of coke. According to their history, they sold the whole year 25 bottles of coke. Can you imagine? Better coke. And then coke is saying. And this year, found Saya Bibi. Men ko bomb pie and kwa. Me, I don't believe that Christopher now. There be no more bomb pie. I don't believe it. I'm a prayer person. Young conform with Jumanis from a bomb pie. Mama bomb pie. I get what I'm saying.
But are you not contradicting
that
yourself? You are a man of
yes, yes, yeah, oh, yeah, banker, you want Jumanis from a bomb pie. Bomb pie, what sorry. Oh, if you are bomb pie. You want about.
I say, me, Jino, Minianum, and some night can say, message in the media. We immediately, but the Berman Nigel Gaze Ekan say, Obia or your bank manager, Obi or your lawyer, a year for the bompire. Name, oh, ma, mena, what ya son them one, so boro, now tono. Sabe, who a Viana the first cocoton was a woe and a bompire. Minia, Dinesadi, when we teacher in our tears on them one, or say bompire. Driver Nino, Esa or bompire, but bank manager no, in Yasa or bompire, wouldn't here. Okoyan sorry na da ben won se osika ni bi ejina so dem boni nsam wure baba unhu bi so bolofo taxi drivers teachers yaya maamenum afumfo ene yankase ye nina minia na ye nia bri pepa so what the Nigel ka o say so your bank manager emfaso ni so be bompaye minia common sense reason we no kra no work no bibi bie no ma ehia se so bolowura no ebe bompaye. Hard work smart, over succeed. Minia, yen to a message in so miss and there, a dear Biamade bro, a codebia, all no flower, the panel, air boss, and yas and Ketuaminia, or their China, Iria.
Bible said 12 tribes of Israel, Levi Fono, or Somun Yejuma, Amon Sanase, no moon shed 11 tribe and also 11 tribe in a year, Juma, Amon Fambra, 10%. Some about it, I say, Tia me. Mean to me, yeah, Juma to say the regular person I started in the University of Ghana with a year Jumano. You mean so near me and Mejuma na me. Midi yes, one dance. We are so for this year, no one will say, Nyamia Juma now you're a business, ube fairly. I don't care however you want to understand that. I'm not talking about business. I'm not, yes, Nyamia Juma is business. That is what the Nigerian does well. If you're a young man of God watching me, ministry is not like what it used to be. The face of the
yeah, Nigel Gaze say on phone any kind of pass or bedina someone what can be on phone, wouldn't be on fire home. Essence of him say, Sabe, I say, you be of a cabiano. Yama, minimum union memma, about what Nana sorry them one, I am a papa. It's just send you a penal or back out to what whom we and what your first one was saying, men found home. Said your mobile ye, Yama, minimum say about Manase, I'm a massage your muska into on phone what kind of on phone. Ya boa ma Abraham anya CSF TV and ye nua no spread message na sabe enke ma menom o abotire o ma menom busu kwa asore and ye bu o mfa so wo hu no kre no na so da bia o diska koma ma me na o de akwa koma so for na wadi na joge se waka o dwen ho de be o be betra se baba mu waka wie o mfa ho waka ne tra saa wo se ono asore no eye business kwan ya be fa so abaye ho analysis no emfa no ho the church members no watitire o madwene o ye dai on beba about the friend papa. I will say.
Modus operandi and methodology of ministry has changed. Some about it says, into when your business mentality, when your modern position and composition of how business should be run. Sorry, can you imagine say in our time, oh yeah, sorry on crime. Now oh yeah, sorry at Techema, Patasia, lawyer Benebeba, doctor Benebeba, nurse Benebeba, it's SSL already defining the way a ministry is here. That is purpose. It's a business ministry. Jesus told them that I have to go about and do the business of my Father. So ministry is business.
Mania, the better ministry about a business. Yes, wa Maria say a storybook ni actually fan ho. Now so your fan said your book ni city na. Odru a sorry dem ho no na omu diga wɔ ne papa fie ɔfa aba ka nipa timpire wo ene mo ton kuto entene enwo adwonwo prekese moto aton a friend say eta ne even ayewa ni na wa asron dem wonom we and I was saying Nigel Gaze prophet Nigel Gaze say so we are software now we anya the business mind of a Nigerian criminal prophet who Ghana who be fail enya me na me kan ye Nigel Gaze na ka say we anya the mind of a criminal Nigerian prophet also tibia enyeye yes nti ofata o se ma bomb aya gu so ma me yankopon kasa kire etai 1000 cedis brabeje na ye ma me ndi mi kan wa kwa kwaje o mo saa yanto aso
for the nyame nipa na nyame nipa enna ne ngosra so a woni se nyame nipa hwehwe wo sika fia na di you search it in the obewuntem wo wonim give bia me say you would die premature na me ka kire wo na wo Yesu Kristo no wo agane nten wo soro no ono pokura ne papa nyankopɔ tufo ete ne baba akopɛ ema wiase nyina se me de ne mamo as a sacrifice me give no erade pokura give ye how much more wo wote London wo wote America wo wote Ghana Canada you don't know how to give and opa so di opa so tana se che wo fia for e ba ya wo se jimi no
MPP Mopa Momo Nedech me say adia no modia but munya pribi adia bia mo beye bia ebe man crofobia o ma givu o mo besan a revival munye point number 2
I don't think that God has given present to any prophet. I saw the NDC win the next general election with 52.1%. I saw the NDC win the general election. If they should plan and think now, I saw Kwame Dramani win with 52.1%. Hear me and hear me.
I watched, I looked, and I watched. And the angel that descended came from heaven, and he whispered into my ears, and I saw the flag of MPP lifted up in the second time, and there's nothing nobody can do.
But by the way, the elections of 2020 is already done. It's finished. They finished it.
Minianum won arewosem. Asofo enan yi epese e kire ye se omo ansen koma ye to aba enyiye. De mi bisa me ho ne se Germany for ba beto aba omunya difo a omo to aba eyi omo president. America for omo ena Paula White ede no kokoto African angels so ye di Trump hwama I say Trump ede na ma adane na intercentasi se wamu minia se China for ba beto ba yem prophesize emma president ne ma Japan for ba be yi president a omo yen shankom emma president ne ma mo pesa mo kire ye say ye wa abo bi ye friend octopus eye World Cup e twam wuni na mu Ghana for mo me yem fa adwen kwa die we so. Do you want to tell me, say, Abua octopus now or no predicted the obe winning World Cup, no? Sabuan or your prophet and a question of Midisa. Minia critically reflect upon this. Abua octopus, that animal octopus, predicted who will win the World Cup, and it came to pass. Do you want to tell us that that animal called octopus is a prophet? Mentiasio, what was say ye nipa mienu ye kwakoto aba. One to me amba me anointed ebia. Memfa de say what ye ho na me Nigeria sofo na ye ni ba be din komo e ho na mo betensem. Minia abana ye kwoto no. Akuya donko ye ma me ba be gina bi. Osofo kirabosum ba be gina bi. Enka hai na ka obe prove the power of Jesus amayawe. Nanka prophet Nigel Gaze, prophet Osu Bempa, prophet Badukobi, prophet Bishop Selifo Amwako. Nanka mo de enwo kwa so akuya donko tiri so. Na wa anointing no. Na wa ka kire say, "Ma ami akuya donko, nyankopɔn pɛ sɛ ɔprove ne power ɛde kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ na onyankopɔn ɛyɛ mimi yɛ nyankopɔn difoɔ me anointing will say wabɔ NPP corrupt government na toagu wabɔ NDC corrupt government na wabɔ toagu na ɔba be anoint a neutral person na wapagya ne nsa na wakyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ yɛ onyame difoɔ hɔnom wo prophet also bempa prophet Badu Kobi prophet Nigel Gezi prophet Bishop Selifo Amoako. These two corrupt political parties and I walk out them and say, so you are telling us that your God is a corrupt God who endorses corruption. Unyankopon Nyankopon or you corrupt. And the party NPP party, NDC party, two corrupt parties or more Africa, more Ghana, bro. And I walk out them and say, Unyankopon say, Brabe Tusuba Kromna Bedi Ghana so. That is a say Nyankopon on pay Ghana for pay. The same thing, and a bloggers nibi, and a brochure for bloggers nibi, ni Ghana for nibi, and a propagate, and the man one corrupt party. NPP, a corrupt party will be any, they are corrupt, or me a catastrophe. The same way, and NDC, a corrupt, or me a catastrophe party. Wo can't them say, NPP is why you're corrupt. Yen to the friso, na yen fadi you corrupt, for some so. What are you telling me? Do you want the progress of Ghana or you want what? Our standstill? Both NPP and NDC, and also your prophet, also the prophet Badu Kobi, prophet Bishop Selifo Amoako, and Kawudin Wobe, Messiah and Kawi prove the power of God to Ghanaians. And Kevin and Kawu Bavram Moshe, me the prove Nyakupo to me at now, Nankawudi oil no, oil I identical, the bomb oil, minim oil, credu on my day. Yeah, the chip bantini at the other board, the other by them was in Yankopon to me. Prove the power of God, and once I got them one of so Yama Yapapa Chilabosom so. When so for Chilabosom, radio Yenia, when Yankopon or proving the power, actually Ghana for to me, Sir Bishop Selifo Amoako, and as a prophet Nigel Gezi, make the Sadia we are so to say, Uber winning Ghana's election, now they approve the power of our God to Ghanaians. Oh, corrupt party, NPP, corrupt party, NDC. Now, oh, prophet Nigel Gates, prophet Bishop Selifo Amoako, NPP. Now, we switch NDC. No matter what they say, Nyankopon say, oh, choose one of this corrupt party at Nababedi Ghana. So, what are you telling Ghanaians? Adreno, a year, Juma, your body and breathing. It is high time. Nipana, Massa, our propaganda, and you know, more, and young one wanting, young one, and Nimkasa. Sabi se okem krasam so asabi e no nkwa na betima kam krasam diplomatic way no yem fa yafi minia munya sabi amoye no party ni so wo hu se NPP government corrupt o person tell say NDC mesi so da na almost corrupt na so you are propagating say open Ghana and Kanko nyemo no party na ono corrupt no yenyini free so na yensan fa another corrupt party and some mesi so this doesn't make sense.
And if you check how it was done, the ruling party won. How it was done.
Nyankopon bobro ni wi no donte na kai na nka okotu e na abofo nketewa no e ka se dada Bentungu, Mama and the Bayadi. Yenny go. With all due respect, Jimmy, environment.
Last time I catch a sophobia said me to a Muhumisana, Menana Hosano, Mahunu Moses da. Mahunu Elijah da, Mahunu Enoch, Mahunu Noah, Mahunu Isaiah, Mahunu Jeremiah. In fact, Mahunu did for Samuel da. Ebra, na me share, baby, I may bumpire, I may train ya me anim. Eradi adoma sanko fo nyina be yi omu ho adi kire me baako. Metimi a describe omu nyina kire se de omu tie. Mahunu Elijah da. Me nkan fa ndwamanu. Ni mo mo. Hallelujah.
Prophet, with all due respect, Me near tem is answer me papa tem and my baby di sabi ubi papa tem. But prophet, and who Elijah, who Enoch, who Moses, who Paul, who yes, who Yankopon, who even yes, Mame, who yes, Papa Joseph, who will be a who trouble for Kahono. What has it contributed to the development of Ghana? And for so bay, a modern mobile, and Punto Bay, Yaquina, Yan, which ya this corrupt politicians, Muntimin Kanta must say, or man Casana yet demons, no, or man Casana yes, Satan, ye bonnet to pay, no, Muntimin Cat, Mahu Enoch, Mahu Elijah, Mahu Abraham, Mahu Moses, Mahu a friend say, what ya one with Satan. Who Satan, you know, a dear bed for so bad pan, and you been your free set, who Elijah, and for so bad was so. And dear for so pan, there was set, one Elijah, and for so bad was I did so. So, yeah, Panon Sabi, Mon kind of grabbing say your politicians, Panon, not when I one Elijah, one way, whom Elijah, whom Yankupoviano, Yaquine, Ghana hospitals, Ghana Sabi, yet to see you was cut. Nelson or Miney or Bianca which number a day. Mahu Elijah. Meaning how the young trending issues no so and as some case here is here Kenya mine and say or so for Kessia be assemblies of God software now a park twice will be so from Minia.
Let's now go to that story of a man of God who was allegedly caught in the act, pants down. The pastor is said to have been found in bed with a woman believed to be his church member. The man, claiming to be the woman's husband, rained blows on her as shocked residents watched. Ian Wafula reports on the incident that has rattled the Anglican diocese here in Nairobi.
Not only were emotions running high, but also the blows and kicks at every turn. Husband, let's call him Mr. X, allegedly found his wife, Mrs. Y, sleeping with his good-time friend and a church pastor. A development, he says, confirms his long-held suspicion that she was playing games with him. But while Mrs. Y was on the receiving end, the church pastor, on the other hand, was wondering whether to hide his face or the rest of his body. Even more awkward, the two were forced to pose for a photo shoot session, after which it was time to dress up. Pastor from SCK Pumwani, however, kept his protests, claiming the woman lured him to this lodging under the pretext that she needed urgent prayers since she was not feeling well.
Minianom as a binum sadan tiasia, a way software as of Kessia Kenya, Assemblies of God software Kessia Pastor Pupon, some of the titles of Kessians of Pupon and Cassane, the sites and Cassana, Esapata, and a Wako Tuase, a not sorry Babacoso. Software say, a sorry bunny mum and a dada and a send one Namian and one Bocro, and 1 million or Massadino, not to say, Massadi no man at software area to turn us for Ari, a sorry by Passa, or really blue Passa, Amas of Kessie, and Obani crew ever 2 F or more, yes, sir, at the end Minia, as a winning, it's a creed.
And then they all left. Surprisingly, husband and his pastor friend walked out gracefully to their vehicles and drove out. What happened at King Castle Inn was meant to stay at King Castle Inn. Well, not anymore. The Anglican Church says it has begun investigations into the incident and that stern disciplinary actions will be taken against the pastor if the claims are proved to be true.
Minia, if what happens to be true, and I say, Gradia Cran over Yasia, or Biswaka watching, Nere said, or Bibutu swear, or so for a food dinner him as a Pentecost wanted to a bandana, yet me bunny and seminar why. Oh, also for a food dinner him a bet Danasna, or no okay, was a small sample with him, so on Minia, or young Popobi or Strabo for one, and a software air quack was your leader so about for them to me a mamma can't just Minia as my maker can say. Or surabo for na the book of Genesis surabo for na so or no shema from or no surabo for na or waters no or no the condom ma so abofo etu ha ba beto se asare so for ma so a o ma dwimba ipasa ma chese nyankopon so bu afu se ye ne mete soro me nyankopon me bu afu se me ma bofo ne emma ba bededa enti me nyankopon me na bikum mesa ya asase o se ya asase sei minia nusu wagene no na ye ni na ne ye Kristo for de ye kan se enti senka book we Bible no eye real tam na nyankopon te soro no abofo ne esane abofom ene emma na ba bededa no nyankopon sabe no hunu dokono anasa no okonsuo anana o havena ana me dino wa menti ase minia eyese ya o de ye nke akwada bi a ode o maame no fo ato nanum akwada ibomu pepa pupo kekra na akwada ya papa no na akwada dia bom minia ye koso obi asemese ye na nan tete fo no masan ba bi akwada ande nofo ele ebo pan no so minia wo soma me na nua bi hwe bi na me twasa video yintum we so de bon kai say yam boy nua Abraham 2000 defenders ye penipa 2000 ye CSF for fundraising na ye through pem oba minia me fa me de antoni a kirew na o de ato oba be kanipa 2000 no ye CSF TV no na Abraham wa baduma antisa minia ye na Abraham enye ne hwe de ye betimi dia support no ye TV na ye be man platform na wa kire ye maame no minia ya akwada na o de nofo ene ebo pan no so mini anon video e dia asemi akra me ho adwiri me akwada ketua wotua ne maame nofo ano enemre mu 2021 ensem e de beba de akwada ketua na fa burodo titidie ni biti bre da bi etwa no Ghana enem nkura yegusu twa Ghana pa ye hu ye mobo enem Ghana yegusu twa bread 1 cedi 2 cedi e de ma obi to na obi so ba beto de aka no adai boni ben ye dia ye leaders boni ben ana leaders no e ye dealers ana Muye leaders anasa muye dealers. Why? NDC, NPP. Muye leaders anasa muye dealers. Akodano. Hadiwe anu adine by popular request video as a sabo video ni bi enya akokọ na mo brodo bread na akwada no o timo maame no fo ba ko na waka brodo no timo maame no fo no waka brodo ni anom o de ye ni Nigeria sofo no CSF church service ni afa ni ba be we mu just warm up ni ye ni Nigeria sofo no ba bi diduma so ko anu wa de ne minua o de akwada no Omi ye brudo ne baako ye nkofa sa video ne mra ayamini anom ya na tambia ya kase CSF ya abotrem ko a won se ye nya abotrem yi nuanom a on ba be fa message no ye opanni bi o se ye friend Nico ya o se ye friend Nico no se sie na ono ankasa nko ofre enam se o yesa e be interrupt program na meye no na o se menken kan eniema man o se wo de Nico Nick na o se oyobi a na o ye die hard Christian na eye message na me present asofon de o mo ye na Meka say Abraham message a o preach no sabe asofo mbe so mo tire say aboa a ye octopus say ono so aboa octopus no e predict say obi be win World Cup ma saa aboa ne difo ana se sie o se what is asem de compare Abraham asem o kan de attach asofo no wo ne se sabe we want to say ba o de ma men kan se o si kan na o se first no na odwene se jimifo o se first no na odwene se jimifo bra na owo Kristo sum no na sei ohun Abraham message na wati asie ye no amana dwene mu adawo ye jimi no afrim say what the nadwene no na eye adwumanti ye nua bema Nico ubetimi subscribe to Abraham Ben Mose Common Sense Family ewo YouTube na wa follow no ave the programs in the binti ye nua ye de wase ye to adwumadi no so afi de Nigeria so for no e ba bere twen komo mi anu wa dene asem we te wasum din ye tie ne ye.
All I say now is prophecy. How many of you have downloaded New Year prophecies? I know people who download New Year prophecies. Every 1st of January, you are waiting to hear prophecy. Prediction of events that will happen is part of prophecy, but that's not what makes you a prophet of God. Prediction of events is not what they give as prophecy. What will happen within the year. That's what they give. Who will help? That's another question I have to say. Who will help? And they said this will happen this year. Oh, years back you used to be plane crash. I remember. There will be plane crash this year. And plane will crash. And you will, oh, he's a man of God. He prophesied about plane crash. I don't blame you because
software moving in or software Serbia what peer Nigeria. Now Abraham Ben Mose ni follow pa bako any software. Now software or a priest, a Catholic priest. Na minia otie message no or the message no awura na sorry dem no na priest no kan kire ni pa say mo se ye wadi for a mo se enkom na mbom no mo pesa mo kire ye say eye bire bi atwam na ye ni plane crash ana airplane na ye ni crash na en crash na enya accident ana entu pesa o tina onum say we Kristo ni odi for be jina onum this year there will be plane crash na first no na plane no na enhye wonum ana a friend of play be Baba show. What is news? What is strange? What is different? What is the comparison and what did be to be near very proud. Or no deep whatever they say. This year there will be plane crash. Now bear 20 years ago, plane a being she water. Bear 15 years ago, plane and she walk. And this a plane she water man a dear baby. Nwanwa eneye say we di for adwuma so for Nigeria yentie no
because your person or you are not among those who crashed. What kind of user prophecy is that? So you have the power to see plane crash, but God will not tell you which particular airline, which day it will crash, so that at least me who is hearing you, I will avoid going to airport. That useless things that don't help anybody. If there is no value to it, if there is no salvific value to it, it doesn't make sense. Jesus was not preached by prophecy, he was preached by preaching. You accept Christ.
Fantastic. Also, when they say mpo, Yesu baya, mena me di mpo na se wo, or common sense ni, or ye priest, on to me by mpo se wo, ye beko na no de nya to. So when they say Yesu baya mpo a, wa ma me sem kom say airplane we ba be hwe no. Na wo ye difo na wo se airplane we ebe hwe no ma wantimi ankyere number clock sa plane no ne number a eye wantimi ankyere se eye dapot nkufia da anase ya wada anase date we na plane be hwe na se me ya sorry ba bia na me ko UK eye fly bia eye ya se eye fly Emirates bia number say date say eda say me gongo fro na makwa hwe eno an say there will be plane crash this year. In fact, so ben also a woni ba sorry ba no obedi we or so for see we and young comes so see we in sinu yanko
repent and believe the kingdom of God, for the kingdom of God is what is at hand. Things that have no value. Oh, this year will be very tough. Since I was born, Nigeria has been tough. Nigeria has been getting tougher. What kind of thing is that? And you will cling to it. Who does not know that things will be tough in Nigeria? Or somewhere there will be accidents.
Fantastic. Or so for now, or so for change. So for one say, and come sa Ghana deep for Nigeria deep for Babeshina. Ghana for be crumple ekasa answer or more propaganda. Ama corrupt parties, and people near this, or Mukabi. Ghana say, Minia Pepacho, with all sincerity, that bay and a Ghana ye. hwɛ unim yɛ ka asɛm a yɛnhwɛ yɛ kasa no eyie o ka kyerɛ me sɛ Ghana ɛsɛe a mimi efiri sɛ wo mimi hu da Ghana yeye wa ka kyerɛ me sɛ Ghana ɛsɛe Ghana asɛe dada ɛnyɛ afiri na Ghana ɛsɛe ɔman na asɛe dada yɛhia sɛ yɛbɛsi sɛ ɔman no ɛnyɛ afiri na ɔman no ɛsɛe woyɛ diifoɔ na sɛ woba bɛka sɛ this year there will be hardship sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ Nigel Gacy ɛkekan na Prophet Nigel Gacy Ghana efiri sɛ yɛwɔ no da bɛn na Ghana yɛnkɔ hardship mu yɛnkɔ ahotire mu da bɛya woyɛ Ghana ni nneɛma bi wɔ no ma obi ka sɛbe na wafa abadi afirim wote asɔdeɛ ɔsɔfoɔ ne sɛ afi wei emu bɛyɛ dene bisa ho sɛ yɛwɔ wo no ɛwɔ Ghana da bɛn ɛna Ghana ayɛ mmerɛ da bɛn na mu abo da bi ɛnyɛ Ghana mpo ewiase da bɛn na wiase US friends say Germany UK da bɛn ɛna ɔmo man no ɔmo ka sɛ emu ayɛ mmerɛ da bia yi bia wei ɛbɛyɛ den wei bɛyɛ den adwene bi da yitirin yɛmfanya adwuma ɔsɔfo wɔyɛ CSF ni kɛseɛ a ɔwɔ Nigeria ne mmom no wɔyɛ priest ontimi mfa CSF complete and this are yɛbɛtu na sɛ sɔfo kasane nko.
Dear brother, even in your bedroom accidents happen. You say it's a man of God. I don't want to talk about those who predict who will win election and who will not. It is the most useless kind of prophecy. In Nigeria, where all politicians are corrupt, your own prophecy is which among the corrupt politicians?
Fantastic. Program na ye na mimi or Hamid do ye mimi ose what the Nicole na ose ono na oye Kristo ni no no take drugs ayarewosem ose bra no no ye Kristo ni no na onum cocaine sabe esan tv sabe na sese mpa offer Abraham message no at once immediately when ya address actually say emwa na pomodene nti ese wojai nti obisa se eye dan na hon konkron no entimi antache na amena nyai saa niema no na bra oye se adiri bi dantim obeisu saa adre na no saa enubone na onom no afedie atene ni so minia Abraham message no ye niema bo adwuma yan support na nyenya CSF TV no yan koso
we win election, and after the election what happens? The state where the person is ruling becomes the #1 state in the whole world. And you want me to accept that kind of no, I want a prophecy where a man of God will go out of the corrupt system as Samuel went and anointed David, who was not there. That means the person you are anointing has no political godfather. He does not have political framework. He is not under the sponsorship of anybody. You just go and pick nobody from somewhere, pour that oil, and the person becomes a governor or a president. The person is not answerable to any idiot. Then the person can now come, rule the state or rule the
software and what the software when you see as a full member can see it now software what in a haban what the fundraising from Baba software can say Nigeria what in the fundraising Abraham I see him for supporting CSF TV now Abraham only pretty Ghana for we are what yes in Nigeria asema software ni kani nano miracle or say wo say we a deep for our Ghana now wo Nyankopon and ama to me say fa predicted the obe winning election and or say both NPP and NDC corrupt parties and a wo catch Ghana for say o Nyankopon ma wo say fa so ba so na omra me ye president emra me bu oman no na two corrupt parties eye dey no be di oman so a oman no ye betimi afa ye ntoma pa e dey franti di o tiri na say ade na wo ye di for no enkaye ma me akua don go say na me ka face no nkanfa oil no na wa anoint no so futira bosom eye political party ya ye to abana ko no sa papa ya o stand ya wan to ama no yin yes Ghana ya bakwasemu ye to abama obi stand ye say ye to abama no munya president wan to ama ne ho ne yera nto ama no ne ba nto ama no ne maami anto ama no ne papa nto ama no obi ya ne ono ankasa no wan to ama ne ho enkasa ni pa bi nanka wo de oil na solitiri so say eye ye papa bia we your sofu tira bosom Nyankopon say wo na ba be Ghana president nanka mpa na abam no ba be Ghana president nanka wan wentimi an share obi asese say be sofu ni issue where the mami issue was say so that person will not be answerable to any idiot Utie me ye, obi a onye obi godfather. Ye nuanom bi ye atie ye betie sisa ne man so. Bloggers na masha CSR na mu ye nim se mo kra na ka mo ba empower youth no na ka mo yi o madene afri both NPP ni so sa mo mbo makwa kwa hye party neti e na mo mani diska e na mo manipulate e conscientize youth no e na mo dada o mo sa pute se mo bo o man esene this so called corrupt politicians mo wa kwa se politician bi eti party bi eti na wo ye to obama na se empo yetimi NDC ni PPC wona sa wo ba be ye ebia me fa say eye party ebia ABC na aba wo wa we ni awie no na wo kwa ye answerable to ebia NPP and as NDC because back your godfather master adwene na edaho emu abie wo de ye nto adwumadie no akyirei sa adwumadie no ye de beba minia eye sofuo yi sa na wo kanti odifo bie no won ma o Ghana isan say ye ma me akua donko e ka de ka wanto amane ho enkoso.
The country like Paul Kagame of Rwanda, he was not prophesied. Rwanda is working more than any country, more than those you have been prophesying about. And you want me to accept a prophet of God? My foot. Who prophecy help? You've been prophesying since. You people have been prophesying who will win. Where has the country gone to? Lord, I want a prophecy that will put somebody who will change the country within 4 years of the person's tenure. Then I will know that this person was anointed by God. We're falling for all these things.
Fantastic. A deep for more Ghana. Nigeria priest in there to Sadi with Yamanemo. Or say, when the berry winning, and this the berry winning, and people the berry winning, and people the berry winning, and this the berry winning, or say, the berry winning, pass what Baina or my name, change Baina the Abba. Say, and this the berry new change Baina the Abba. Say, NPP change by Asamadi or so for Roman priest, Asama Canon, or some pass what Baina change Baina the Abba. You
just go and carry. Hey, he prophesied it too. A prophet prophesied who will win World Cup. Hi. Who will help? He prophesied who will win World Cup. Something an animal also did. So that animal is a prophet now. You've not heard about octopus, Paul?
Correct. A Roman software say, a software be cry, a same come say a country and a very winning World Cup. A Ghana, you said a prophet Baduko be last year, or can say a Accra House of Folk, ever winning Ghana Premier League, a card there, a half year, and yet be business so be House of Folk every year. Minia, or so person would say, or no, sir, priest, he said, I wanna even octopus Paul or predicting a new number World Cup. You are very into also person would tell the say, Sabuano or ye deep one. Minia, Mama Yama adrene a day 3 women and ye juma. I dream it out him, Abraham Moses, and Manania Jumana no or ye Christo Nisa, Namis me Christo Nisa. Yan Twasso, meaning say octopus no, also yet me qualified and say also a or deep what they are. Or more mutual to the minim, so only a deep war, my bed for minim, so almost a deep what they are. Ye deep for me deep for so many things that we deep for so.
Don't be saying that from day one, say before the World Cup tournament started, he started predicting who will win. And then somebody who says he's a man of God will prophesy who will win World Cup, and it happens. And that for you makes him prophet of God. Because we want prophets who will begin to tell us when all these wicked politicians in Nigeria will start resting in peace. Abi, let them start resting in peace now so that.
Fantastic. Or priest, they say, ye pay deep for and Quebec near Casse. You both NPP ni NDC for Nina, leaders no, or Munina, or think of Pessi, you who said, a breben a deep for bit myself comes Omunina, breben Omunina do. And Yamina make a soft one there can say, or deep for being a bit man, one sent from my send Nigeria for leaders, politicians, Nina, Ghana. Both NDC and NPP politicians Nina that Ben and Community now may rest in peace. Nanka or minor say a beer will be babefa ayen year my or said that bay in tear or so we will Kenya as a seven.
Those who have the good of the country at heart can start what? Coming up. That's the kind of prophecy that will help us. I have Gary. and roasted yam to eat. And you come and prophesy to me which one I will eat today. How did you help me? Your prophecy should bring me chicken and turkey that I don't have. It was when Jesus came to Galilee that Matthew is now saying that prophet.
There is nothing shameful about this. Eye keta hye parties mienu e na ekontopa. Why do Ghanaian media mu waste mo time? Eka wa bra, me se ye wa kwan akwa eye me yawo. Unim the number of nipan kwan akra ye behwere January mu through preventable and avoidable accident. Unim accident a ye betimasi akwan. Unim na kata asese for corrupt parties mienu kontokwa wo wanya break kontokwa say when they did one dey for corrupt parties mienu kontokwa ye nyama ejabi kwanti ansranka what one say wo kontokwa mabako minia sabe moma yenye sincere ne yenye balance yenye fair men pesa sabe me yusu word bi say akromfo Nemo no me se kata asese for party mienu there's no need to support one. This one was wrong or this one was right. And when you na abogana from kata asese mienu and eko mo ntokwa we minia ya wiane ya yam enti Ghana for ye dey hwe wo mine de ya o mine ya ban monsa Ghana mine enye both NPP ni dis ne da monsa eye aliens ene de show monsa na mo bo mine for ma babedu sambe wo mo kontokwa ye metro minia yen to adumadi nso kra se o kontokwa se ye wia she corrupt parties me no mo kontokwa ye ne mrambe say ya dad e betimi yakasa ya kwan ye na me fa say ye wia me fa so be na nya free so yen to adumadi nso minia.
I tell you that demons are responsible for your poverty. The demons are the ones delaying your destiny. And you know, and you are scared. Whenever you hear demon, you want to. We have been living with demons. John 10:10 said, "The thief cometh, but to do what? To steal, to kill, and to destroy." So anybody who steals is what? The thief. Somebody who kills is what? And someone who destroys is what? The thief. Okay. Who has been stealing in this country? Who are those that have been stealing? Are they not in government? When one person will carry 5 billion naira and nothing will happen. They have been stealing, and from stealing, what happens? Have they not killed? Have I not told you before? Somebody steals money meant for doing road, and the road is not done, and people die out of accidents. Has that person not killed? Because stealing and killing go together. And when you kill, have you not destroyed? Hospitals that would have been built in the country, people stole the money. To the extent that even Aso Rock Clinic, that budgets are done every year, running into billions, cannot even treat. Can't treat our presidents. Can't even treat no simple this thing. But the budget was done. What happened to the money? It was stolen. Abi, who stole it? I'm asking, who stole it? It's not human being like you, flesh and blood, that we even live with. Some of them even come to church. So this is my problem with some men of God who make our problem look like it's a demonic problem. So we must be doing deliverance. No. The demons, see, I cannot fear the devil anymore because we live with them. His cousins, his nieces, his sisters, his brothers, his uncles, they are in our legislators. What do they call themselves? Legislature. They are in the judiciary. They are in the presidency. They are in the local government. They are in the state government. We live with them. They have been killing. So why would anybody now frighten you and tell you demons? See, demons have even gone to God to report Nigerians. That the things they have not done, Nigerians are doing what? are saying they are the one. Face your fear. Meaning know the right fear to face. Know where your problem is actually coming from. Otherwise, you just keep, and that's part of the problem I have with these mighty men of God who will tell poor parishioners or poor Christians that your destiny has been stolen by a demon, Abi, or by one spirit. Come for deliverance. But the destiny thieves are all over there. Then when these mighty men of God have chance to meet with these destiny thieves, these demons, what do? They will not deliver them. They would rather take pictures with them and come and show us how connected they are. But then they will not come to the poor ones and tell them that the demons that are holding your destiny, you come and do 21-day fasting and prayer. But you will meet with the men demons and you will not deliver them so that Nigeria will be good. Face your fear. Leave demons alone. You hear me?
Fantastic. Baba Ifotuo, Bowetuo, Tia Weso, demons, no, Prophet Nigel Gazy, Prophet Bishop Sally for Mwakon, Mankasa, destiny thieves, and was it Shabran Krabiamu Akron Yamina Meka, or so for Neka, or say, ye will be no or more Shabremu Shabrek, say, Nenkrabiana, a Sanya de Wono Shabrema Kron or say Omugu, your friends say, Babia, your parliament one. Omugu, babia ye di asem, omugu, ye police, omuk tese, omon ye do mat to ye institutions nano, omum na area ye, one prophet bishop selling for Mwako, prophet Nigel Gazy, Moko Kosiasa destiny tips ya. Now no much pictures, no baba can't say, oh Minia, I'm a big prophet. Look at how connected I am, how connected you are. Ghana kind of one, Moko Kosia, Sa Satan need demons ya. One to me and can't roam. Who know much pictures, and I would say Ghana for how connected I am. I know this man in government. In so what? And your software neka and Yamin American. I dream your team software in or your CSF member will try the fundraising. Say about support Abraham movement, no. They in your CSF TV, no. We are gonna need who are between here now. How do you ever account here now? They need any TV now, Abraham. On Boduma. I sorry no. Something good at trouble. Then in a Kobe. A nada stories. Any good book, no. It has nothing to do with any God. Atamna wo baby ubedino sabe kwase na obeka no enye me wajimi na minim se wajimi me sorry a enne betre wo wajimi na okan na emma me nkonkoto aduani nia na me nkodibia me de no wa menti ase se wo minia uni baby da na akwas master me ni baby emfiti me enne kwa me de obi fiti enye me ye ka na kwa yentie enye wo nkwa na wabɔ mpa ya te yankopon enye wo nkwa na support both NPP or NDC yedi na ya bi pen but yes say a person or mind fan and to my prefer. And yes, I said the cronphobe edi ade so a. Ye cronpho and sample cronpho so no. Yam pay the way out.
If the devil comes, if you wake up at night and you feel it's the devil that woke you up, I want to kill him. Tell him, bro, my next door neighbor said, evil was past you, have survived him or her. I'm not scared of you. We have seen most of our problem, most of the things you guys are made to be scared of in the spiritual, those are not the problems of Nigeria. I am telling you with all conviction. It is not demons that came from hell and took the money that is meant to purchase arms for our military. That bandits can enter a village and slaughter people in hundreds and do everything they are doing and go. No arrest. Have you ever heard that bandits were arrested and prosecuted in this country? Is it demons? Are they demons? If your destiny, you'll be busy binding and casting destiny, destiny demons, and I beg.
Software na babu Nigeria software Roman priest, Catholic priest, and I didn't to kiss uncle me. Now, you did no democrat essay, but minia sabe, Mama Yendi no crack and my or mine. Yes, able to me up I am to my pa, Efra, and yes, I have been a Ghana say, or mine said that the Frisia wool or your war mine or mine say a basin yet, ye nyaj for, and yet sabe, corruption, catastrophs, parties, near new way, and a bit Mama Yapa and to my pa, or better not will be all be or mine of sabe. Ye bet me a casemba, yen you say, ye won't quadanka take it to a Ghana, it be a ye will minus out or want to take a decision. Asama the power of microphone ubetumi aka Say ponipa baako pɛ na ɛhwɛ wa di ebetumi ama nipa na kwakɔɛ no ɛyɛ adwene ho the power of microphone. Ube na abronye DC for NPP. Kasa didi attempt me kasa ɛyɛ mahama wei sabe obi a wababedi ɔman nyinaa nim sabe sempo waye bibi said ye na ye nim na sabe you can never say mahama wei o kasa no hwehunu sɛ oba bi so behwe o video no ebire bi beba obefra o hair daddy hair dina sam na make no ye Kevin Taylor atiwo obi asuro no wo papa Kevin Taylor bisa ho sɛ otimi dini papa atem katen sɛ sabi wagimi na ɔman nyinaa president na Akufo-Addo na Kevin Taylor timi katen sɛ Akufo-Addo agimi sabi obi a wadi ɔman nyinaa nim ya papa Mahama adi ɔman nyinaa nim na wo abronye DC tim betena wo na Mahama wei sa nipa wei he asembe na wo ye no enkodan ketenkete ehwew edie bi ade na wo de kire enkodan no wani agye se abronye DC edidi ye papa Mahama atem na wo ye ose me NPP ni mani agye mi bose ye more fire wo wadi papa atem sabe ense muna o papa di frisi e wo no wadi na atem da be na otimi gina papa ni mi ka tell se wagimi na mbom o so abronye DC so se odi oman panyin na wadi Ghana so pen odi na atem ti wo ye more fire kini hunu se Brave ba oba na behwe o comment anase o video no oba no so beka to say that the wagimi bisa won say wani beje ho bisa won say Kevin Taylor e ka kye na do say wagimi no bisa no say be fisi e wo no ne papa ni se munu ntre ne da wagino papa ni maka to opa so opa agimi pen wo ye mo fa ye wani ade Brave baba bo na wo to aboban no sa bo na wo bounce back to you and o back it to e be show video as abronye DC obehwe o video as Kevin Taylor na obana catch us say daddy ade a wuye unso wagimi pa bisa on say obey dey asembe na obeka catch obana mini anom ye ya ade bia won ye nyini hu ye o west bi won ma ye market one esua oba be ba na catch daddy wo ye kromfo ehwo na obe ti obana hyedem wo ba catch us ye kromfo na say wo ye sebe wagimi a wo beto bana sedem abono na wo ba be fa the microphone na waka kire oman pani bi ti say papa Mahama na ye papa na nado sabe na waka kire say sabe abroje DC ni Kevin Taylor mienu NPP nie abroje DC NPP 4 foot soldier Kevin Taylor ye NDC 4 foot soldier we sabe na nado agimi papa Mahama sabe na asema waka kwa osemfem obi onu abedi oman ni na oman kakraka we say dia say papa Mahama nsa yet ya say papa Akufo-Addo nsa sabe say wayamfunso bi a we can criticize with common sense enye sabe won kwana enkura sesem wanum enye won kwana wano ya sene hwan efiri ne ekọ obi bia wonim na wo ye youth say wo ye hwan wo ya akokra ya maame na ba betena social media platform bia so sabe ya pese ye fa yantuma pafira ye say both NPP and NDC keta parties or my way. It doesn't mean say sabe or the opportunity, the platform to speak. Enti o boy papa Mahama din, no boy papa Akufo-Addo din sabe. Now we do matter na me bisa say wo say muna papa dia trophy o mofrase. Da ben na wo papa say dem sabe. O ka tro papa say sabe that wagimi. Da ben na ka bi trend that. Now I'm for us and light any emojis dinatem more fire now what you do be papa tem wo wani age na wo do papa tem position na ya papa Mahama sabe se onyem kosisai ya papa Akufo-Addo sabe onyem kosisai wo wadi papa tem na wo ba bedi he minia odi efi na ekọ 2021 we odi em obi njina wo no wo beti asem wo tirim udu ti be bofom sabe so ye kurase nia unye kurase diplomacy no yanwe diplomatic manners, even the art and the way of speaking. Abronye DC or you poor, Kevin Taylor or you poor, both Abronye DC and Kevin Taylor or move group NPP ni NDC parties ni kompono and Mwasia Command about almost any proper audience. There is no way say Abronye DC ebetinia kasa amanato NDC follower be akoma so am na ba be join MPP that it makes him a bad communicator, a poor communicator, because ube dina on masa me NDC follow akrompa mahama way any person hey now who communicate am na to me NDC ni se me fan say me leader no onyempo now who communicate am me ba be NPP etia the moment I met it mahama way sabe kromfo way jimi hey sabe me tell sa pra ube kru makoma ama I will never media before krompo and the special program na say me yefio the same way Kevin Taylor nana do ejini nana do way be matetia sabe way sabe and when she NPP follower be anyone man message we betimi amana ba be dane no matter how bad the NPP government is entimi manema me support NDC da the same way abronya DC no matter how much ebia NDC party no how bad it is. You can never communicate for any NDC follower to come and follow NPP. That the way and the power of communication. Nka o kasa se empo uye abronye DC na wo kasa etia NDC party na. Ka o kasa du ye papa Mahama so a wo se ye papa Mahama anase ex-president Mahama anase ye president Mahama anase bia Mr. Ebia Dramani Mahama. Na wa address we issue wa ba address we Kevin Taylor so enka uduru na nado sabe and kwasi abo wadini dem we the moment I yes and me say it is either say abronye DC it is either or a NDC spy who is in the party of NPP because the more na odi atem di papa Mahama atem no or she NDC for ni na before obi any one more be join NDC ni bi no one more betini no matter how better NPP government they on support to Omoda. The same way Kevin Taylor, that Kufuado, and Obama way, and I say either say or your NPP spy working for the NPP, but behind the NDC party. Because the moment now, Okasa entity, get President Nana Akufo-Addo atemono, NPP Nibia, no matter how much bad NPP party you know, on supported NDC party need that. And I make sense make no. E say was said that say on the art of communication. And NDC for him. And make President Akufo-Addo attempts to be atema. E be say NPP for na before. Say NPP ni crown best of beto abano. Sabato do na say Kevin Taylor. And communicate ma NDC for. Say NPP ni kra da or take Kevin Taylor no kasa or dimika ba ko NPP. Meaning I'm telling you the true fact. The same way abronye DC the wo si kasa no se NDC ni bi kra na de se on me to abada o te abronye DC ano kasa o de abufuo ba ko to NDC but senka ba ko be yusu nyansa enya temi ye na nanti nya ansa na wakasa enka se NPP government nye and NDC government nye na se o pese ba ko e ba be join wa wo betumi akakasa de nyansa kasa e be to na koma so amna ba be support sabe yesunya kwan ye faso de adwini we e kasa adwini bi da yetirim hwemu se the moment a be kasa akono e say o baba de bia o ba o ye de you can never restrict your child not to watch your video obeke or sha the same way na wudi obi atam kwase abo no o ba no de beba so beka papa dada o wajimi pa wa o ye kwase apa sabe mo fa me kasa mo fa nchem sabe me de example keke o ba ne bedi watam sa na hwemu se e die and I'll be your banner. Obebo banner, and I'll be banner basso. A word to a wise is enough.
Jesus was from poverty. People were rich before Jesus came, and people are rich without Jesus. You don't need Jesus to be rich. People were rich before Jesus came, and without Jesus, there are very many rich people who don't believe in Christ, who don't even believe in God. You better listen to me now. Follow me. Are you hearing what I'm saying? You don't need Jesus to be rich, to be wealthy. You don't need Jesus to marry. You don't need Jesus to give birth. You don't need Jesus for all of this. These are things that
Nipana okasano or ye Catholic priest or say unya Yesu ansana waware unya Yesu ansana wadi or kind of correct though. Me say we CSF ni no Nigeria or so for Kesebia pure onum, may say or so for not sorry than a nipa 7,000 or can say you have a two collection type Osofo ne frɛ baaku mienu miensa na obi ate wo afiri osofo ne se odo ne maame nan ka ne papa nan wa ma na obedome wo Nigeria for no after message no omo fa se ye Ghana for ne sense on say Nigeria omo access to internet na e wo high se ye Ghana for enti sofo yi wo ye CS ni na obo common sense message no etra sorry man ti sorry man no omo ye confused say I don't need Jesus to be rich omo nti ase but all kind of credit etra
that where and I will continue to be. People were rich before Christ. There are many rich people who don't believe in Christ. So Christians think it's only in Christianity that barren women conceive. They think it's only in Christianity that women who are not giving birth for some years later eventually give birth. They think it's only in Christianity. Only those who go for miracle crusade. See, that is where we miss it. I have told you that the blessing of Genesis 1, and the Lord blessed them and said to them, be fruitful, multiply, do what? Feed the earth, and do what? And conquer it. That is the blessing that is flowing every human being, whether you are a Christian or a Muslim, believer or non-believer, and all of that. That's why you can have unbelievers who are rich. You can have Christians who are rich. You can have unbelievers who, everything. That blessing is what is responsible for human development and progress, whether it's in the scientific arena or anywhere. But what is specifically you as a Christian? Don't let preachers begin to push to you the things that politics can give you, medicine can give you, engineering can give you, and then stop you from looking for that thing that only Jesus himself can give you. And without it, every other thing is what? Is useless. That thing that is more fundamental now is relegated at the background.
Fantastic. So for now, I'm here to me. Or a common sense name, but or a priest, Catholic priest, or say, I then idea a politics, your politicians, a bit me a supplier, a bin any ya crime, a bin in Suayenum, a bin your hospitals, a bin schools, a bin a near baby, even your friends, your port honum. And near on supply at Yamayano. What the Sanya Manina she said, it is only Jesus, Jesus and Kwan, and Medinotonoswa. Jesus and Kwan, and Mafana bomb bui, let me a crab today, let me a DA, let me a worry, soft one say. And what didn't know, sir, Nemuno, Sanya way a fundamental things are a politicians, and essentially provide the money. It's say, or more yet corrupt catastrophe. Omu disikano omu nyene omane ho nintino omu ntimi provide sa na no e na wo betu kan kwatena kan ma Awurade Yesu e na no pai papa mi kodu asundiem se ode mi kodu a e na mese woni munyam o Bible ne kire wo se Onyankopon se ono e na ahye de ono pe e de ama wo enti se wo ka na wo fro de wo ba kohwe wo no you are telling God say ka na e de wo kohwe wo no Onyankopon sana de ne na oma wan yan kohwe wo me anase wan ya Nemum kaya politicians no eye yakwan no double and kaya accident bi on man ye betimi avoid ye betimi prevent anka ensi ema ye nhwere anipa nkwa ye nsu ya adwene no na sabe yeso ye nipa why
mushe avalam wo se kosia avalam akwana waba Kofi TV Kofi Adomawa was Jesus Christ enfi nyame shakwani nim any blessing she akwalo kinka Bible nanu ni miti as a baby fire to towo me pacho Jesus Christ by a rare than couple ba no ye dileti most for opportunity kum church I want nyata yantre no begin fire with amonu gasi 5 just what say dia wamla shakwani tin nanim wawale miensa na yene miensa waso wale baako a eni Bible mu wo ka First Timothy chapter 3 verse 12 awale baako e wo Bible wo boa ni ti ni na nim ti satowa wonderful Jesus Christ of Nyame wo ye rare araba
ya na nipa mu kra mo ye kasa na ho nti ya mo ye kasa na ho nti kakra se wo ho enya mo nko na sabe efun wo manum be ma wo ti wase ko se ayakaso so wo ti akunum ase ko se ayakaso wo didi atem sabe wo yeso yesofo e ma adene ne aduma ho se ko se ayakaso wo didi atem
Bless anybody watching me right now. Ni pebiala wo hwe me onyankopon abasa anya kese na ne tumi ende di wa abrabo so video ya wo hwe mi pesa wo share ma wukuru nsanka bi ma yire nsanka bi ma wabusu apeni nsanka bi ma obi biala nsanka bi ma president of Ghana kran nsanka bi ma ye kan say asofo obi biala Dickens elders nsanka sa video bi. The name is still Rabbi Mreku, pastor of APM Ghana. Na tie eye abrantie bi aba Ghana ha edi kwase asem yie. Every man of God was once a man. And then me the God ne to ncha kasa te se nipa as a man. Brantie bia bagana ha kwase asema odi at social media so ti radio so at TV so because when nya kwase afo bi sponsor nti baby biala globally ekotena ka kwase asem efa ora Yesu hu eka kwase asem fa Christianity hu eka kwase asem anyankrofo nso adi nachi agimifo tie ni ye mento sabe. Aya Avram Bemoshe hu asem na meken baby bi owo bi amoma ne nsanka video bi memisi oye krasi no oye jimifo onim nyansa ba ku se na nche nyankopo betwia ne ka. I'm telling you the
super dia na se ana momo ye so sabi enti kasa bebre ba wo so ye sofo Bible no pasema o kasa ho nte o Bible no se ma uti enkite nyansa se won o re de wa uti to be ma uti kakra kasa tete bentwa ana o ti wono ma sabe o beka nyansa sam no o didi atem sa de wo ye kire sai
Dodo ishatana kotoroba sakahi dolodo matalamande subrededo eyakush minu ifizigi zamagadash eregragagagagagagagagagagagagagadash rotokondo prasisitehe rondo kopababa sita kalito ekomo libriti zuzu shadagadada erede regagagagagrugaga rugagaga.
Kwasi Empire Bonkwana Musi TV so no omobo.
When I cry out, Idomo Shatahaya, hey, Iralamandu Kabahos, Melei Takabahus, Mapara Gadish, Malande Tukahas, Ite Kaduni Ibitaya, Melakadum Balahaka, Itanda Tandusi, Ipale Kidiriata, Kukatiataya, Itanda Kalabia, Rabalababayas. Offloading, say offload.
Sebenarnya kata macam kadang-kadang guru buat kami guru kaju malu ke kaca pandu kapan baju mas ajo aku tu ada ulu guru ke malu ke pika pam ya titi guru melele
na ya bi before kra e die pa ne ha sa race ya enti die osomneti maye onipa dasani asabe adire da ni tirima odene de ye say ohia psychiatric attention because dabi anu odene
kadang-kadang buat kami guru kaju malu ke kaca pandu kapan baju mas ajo aku tu ada ulu guru ke malu ke pika pam ya titi guru melele
anything that I said was fake. And you teaching be a man that no real. Maybe I come more levels. Muntia would your monk nipa 2 cramecatron. In nipa 2, I will tell them on my page. All the apology were fake. Apology in fake. Then I make a Ghana for. May I stand for truth, and I'll always stand alone. Then I make a I mean chance and kakra. Mame water, batampa. We great. Bujam kwasi asefno. Ye di kodu Bible. Why? Avram ye benu ya adwuma Avram abo no me salute no. Adwuma ben mo hia abo ma ye se nkrofo sefu sika na 30 asofu nya ni no. Okay, me anya me dada mata obi ya de papa support no. Ben mo hia wa abo adwuma. Why? Me wanya me tamfu obi ya de a wosayi ya mon support no. Inipa brain tua tight no ben mo hia kan. Sometimes I know how I sometimes me pretend kakra se bia ade bia Ghana di for nzamo gye montimi ehu me se no kra me blast mo ho rough montimi ehu coronavirus mote ho ma no chokrudo montimi ehu coronavirus agidi me ne nkwase ase mo ehu coronavirus mo kutekuta nkom she ku people osu bempa na ese boys no yi ni tifri ho mo kutekuta nkom she wo paper so mo adi for mo kutekuta nose montimi ehu coronavirus. No prophet in Africa could see coronavirus. December 31st, mon kwam shamo de na coronavirus on kan. O de mfansa mo de mo kra kum chacha no nyina hye mask. Prophet opambo kra se na asore man wa yare ni bia ye obi ane tenafi. Na chese wo mo kra ne upon Jesus ni nyina wo musuro. Me study niema before for the past 17 days. My study niema within 17 days. Me we Ghana moment of truth continue. Apology ni nyina ye fake. Jesus ye fake. Ne papa je obi ani ho ma me wata ne rulie. Why? I love you all.
My friends, foolish born again Christians who are believers and not thinkers. You lie to them, they believe it. You deceive them. You know the Christians, born again Christians, are the easiest people to deceive. Yeah, Pastor Gandhi says they like to be deceived.
Victory, victory, victory. For angels are being released right now. Angels are being dispatched right now. Hamanda ata ata raka teda baka sanda ata ambo osa tata rite eke banda ata rike didi ashata. For angels have even been dispatched from Africa right now. Africa right now. Africa right now. From Africa right now. They're coming here. They're coming here. In the name of Jesus. They're coming here. They're coming here. They're coming here.
Mami super unhuni pamobo. Ye di pro yagi, di Africa pro yagi. Man no mayama o man ya protiti apansam ye ni leaders ni na. Di leaders ye politicians. Then ka empo ye wo so abofo bi mpo mami ye hu ye mobo. O say free African so abofo say o momra America mra me support mo. Etiri modern anase de baade. We ye etiri modern anase de ade. Oh, ya muni pamobo. Ye mpo ye wansura bofo a emwa kakra na omode beboa ye no. Omo nsan mra. Oh, abibifo ye ya be ye aduma wa. Abofo nso sa meka mo. Ah, muni pamobo.
From Africa, from South America, angelic forces, angelic reinforcement, angelic reinforcement, angelic reinforcement. Pika hata anda ata ora bata rata ande eke manda rasata. For I hear the sound of victory. 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 I hear the sound of victory.
What the banana wa fa wa fa na ma wa fa ne manyame me ei ama mu je na mu tie ona na tedu na fa ma me no je awo no ntie se ba no anfa na ma me ame mi tiri mu den no mi aso gba mi nkobi me aso le kura mi nkobi mi ma me Pentecost ni ka siye asafo ye he opa fa so de mi dem mi ngure papa
Praise be Nika see ya. Praise be Nika see ya. Opa, me gate nano. That the mean refio. You don't happen, sir. Me. Hey, obey. Ono no me.
Wana nim de utimi.
Oba ba.
Na se me de minim nti ka che me.
Akola we ho abo me dua ma me kodane. Me dunya me se me tome da mu nyema nyinara.
Jesus Christ.
Snap on kodane dua mo je me snap no ma ko 4. Me to 5. Me koye no me omoje 3 na me koda ase no. Mataji 2 million, snap 2 ekawa. What da me pass 2 years in 2 years 2 months. 26 ya ye di bro nyamfo ani age di bro nyama te boso no so kutanko ko be 7. Iti me trim odin che ne bam. Me kura no. Nyame na akama kakra. Ba me ba nya me ba se me ba me ba nya se enka se ho no. Ya kan na chinchin ya. Kan bi fu be ka se me am de ba me twa so na mu no. Okoda won kwasafo ko nin kan kwasafo asafo se funda kan se de otie no o manya na se so de ma no pepepepe edo nyame boy kame boni bia ko na ko no ma ni wire mfibika gano yesu wawo onyama nkawa won fi ne se enchiro me boy afaso ado boy mzo bo mi dia ma me ndame de mana bin na ndanim e ma me master do dem ni adwuma me di meti kan se bra fi de ge bo mi dia me dana joa e bi jeja damo sa na blanze ene ko ge chire e ka me boy no e ka dem go fa na me ko me kwa enya de obeba na me ka se o ma de ka nyina me chepse me penso me tia itia ka nyina san ko da ase ko dware 7 days na wa
e donzo
wa ante mu ma che anche biara ena ye no preaching ke yame ngongu
ta
ye no preaching ke sie bi
una che
me so bo mi ngo dan san me nya wie no ena wono nyame ka te ke otua nka ye no preaching ke sie bi me ngongu
na se nyame wu njini ni e den na ka otua nka
ani ono aya me nyame gidi mi nyame di pa le mo me kwa so na makobo dua no me da adwene ho de be 20 me nkwa so ne me ye bonna me ni straight
Airport. Why does it do so of Nigerian airport?
Mention Düsseldorf airport. Mention airport.
Airport there.
Airport fine of Akoy.
There's no airport.
Me ya there airport.
I say we have so anana uba ugoye.
Asema okay, why me when pa famous I see. Oh say the niska but wo ye fan say bi ti say eni papa wasem kakra what you say it is obu say me here there airport uni me no dey adwuma na me excuse me to say me nim say oh yeah hostel in Shra FM in sports obi ada Roman wanya bi edi kakra oh and kwasem na me kan so obi ada Roman wanya bi didi ni obi adwuma no na me so bi say uni me no dey adwuma na me so me ye
nim adwuma yo
ana de bia me ba me de ka papa ba no wonni madwuma me ye
mukura na be mbisa
me a ship dealer
o do ship
na bia sam na ka kan sa no
o do ship
me se me a ship dealer dabi so wonni ma ko busa shekatani
okay
in Qatar in Doha adi sam na ka kan sa no Bisimi ya ship dealer wo sere. Ade o share me no min so bia me ton ship ho.
Baby.
Min so bia me ton ship.
Baby.
But o dey so bia say wo to radio.
Ai.
Moi.
Ai.
Ade asam na kan kansaro. Please. I'm a serious
Okay.
I'm a serious.
Okay.
The omni say anya bibia ntina mi bowura ha. Me name girlfriends be na namna. I say almost say almost per baby adidi.
Okay.
Na almost restaurant me bra hono. I don't like it.
Okay.
The passion flavor I free head ebano. I don't like it.
Flavor.
Flavor then the passion free obano.
And then they were there.
Me just say flavor then the passion free restaurant obano.
And they understand okay.
Me just say I was sent no.
Any flavor any passion.
Na ya ka say flavor uni ma de kro.
Flavor dey.
Flavor just a sent no a free dem wo pie no.
Any flavor no.
And a passion no so just say the whole location is here no.
Okay. Yo.
E ka just say me cause for you
Who go school eh?
Good day, it's good day.
Who go SS eh?
Go cast.
What now? Oh, a nice school, but we just have level, no, not a class. We'll level in your one have school. Nakaba Quay.
Is it your master's okay? UST.
So I Nabi Yan Wasford. Now you look, I take us, I am normal.
Okay. Oh, the real way.
Me patch on me an Oxford.
Woman, what a task, Papa, Jacuzzi, Simono. Dapa Yatam Nabisi, Yatiwa, Yadina Wura from Dakar. Wujin and Tanya Wu Yajana, Akasisama na, Melantua Sema, Abranti Yawata Soria, Mawanina, Netai Jimino. Ababa once saw the Soria, Mawanina, Netaya Homaso, Mawanina Wapirabom, Yebeja Bibia was assassin so.
Minianom mesre metia obibia na mepomacho me ameka sai ye frɛ me Kusi Bismarck na ebre bi atwam ni na ye frɛ ye ho sai ye Kristofo nanso ye babete Mr. Abraham Ben Moshe nka no ye hunu sai obo ade no onte books num onte Bible ni Quran num entie na keke ho abom yadwene ye sesese ne nyankopɔn bi ne ba besese ye man na maye yadwene na obo ade no ba bi ade bo free ban no de maye no entie kasa ye di Abraham achi no ene yakeke ho abom sai ye pese eduru 2000 enti CSF wo onipa bia kro bia so a wo broche kro bia Ghana na wo na pese otete wo haban contributions na ba beka 2000 defenders no ho a number no eye +49157723678882 ye nananom bu bebi se de offer duapa no na ye pia no enti ye besere te wo haban bra firi pem na fra ba beka nipa 2000 ho na ye so a ye nya CSF TV na me yenu Abraham was spreading message no amna dru ye nkurase ye maame nom yenu anom nketwa na o matimi de o madwene no aya de pa bo o mo ho Abraham ye da wase na nanom atawachi na yenso ye tawachi ye besu 2000 no ye nya CSF TV ama Abraham was spreading message na maye bra be kan ye ho number no ye +49157723678882 WhatsApp ya seminia maye ready na ya jew na wate wo haban ba na oba be kanipa 2000 ho adwena na adwuma body ni bebre ye ya nuanom wom ye ke enwumbom biakoye na ye pe meda obi bia ase
minianom inti fundraising ene pese nya CSF TV ye besre pa ode bra be kan na minia ye nya TV no ye Abraham on spread message no e ma ne nu ye nkrase ye ma menom ho na omo de omadwena ye adwuma na sofo no enye omo embu omo adwembe de itines anya adwuma body no ebebre minianom tumadie no ye de babisi na medisi no ye nhwe Abraham oni sofo bi competition omo koye na ye nhwe sa Abraham ne nim bu ase anase eye sofo no eni bu ni Nyankopon enimase ye nhwe na ihwe bia na ye biasi meda obi biasi bi onya adade se nimre na dade bia minia do biasi besre mu na momra medoni 2 defenders fundraising ye to buy a minia me mfa ma haban ne nton ne atro bia de beto no ba beka 2000 defenders no e do biasi
obeye miracle no na wadane ensi ensa oje musician me mwakwaba you've joined the feed ebreche baby a obi a chia okay and inti
Mr. Kofi ensuo me die si we me kira ali ade nyame boa muntie ni ye me kira na de se ali peso hu se ensuo ya dane nsa anaso peso hu se Yesu di na ye nsenkere Yesu di ma wufuo sori abuafo sori ya 9 September
David nya fe na baba ya nya fe na baba ya why ya na ya dey discussion David me wa so okay me na me dia ma you are not saying me na me dia ma David me ji Yesu di
onti Yesu di Yesu we
me passa me
nkame kona sabi ye papa sabi se wani no so ya crowd etuda bi on ya mu Yesu adwe bi e da itim na na kwa me o ka se adan na Abraham enya adwuma emie ne TV station sabi nyansa ene wadwene inde wa wo si dwene no e wo fom koda ye se wa na yi a ne nya adwene ne hunya ansa na wakasa Abraham
About the message about what's here, dangerous tax we are yemiano, we're engaging. But the name quite one Abraham, boa, nipa, Doma Abraham, Abuomo, a bit enam Abraham message so. Almost your dying, while Abraham come to a moto, Christo, so community so dying, a sign of the Wuna, not a software, and the Wuno. Abraham actually, me was a Bible, a software Ghana, Bishop Selifoma, Kudan, William, software at the Salomon. Why you want to wait me about debate Abraham? It's as woman then say, a year poor woman book ni boy, or one to stand Abraham. Now, you and another baby say, Obi through your pa and a piano. You the message yaba, saying, Canipa Bakupe will be. Hey, neighbor Kukuru, ye beauty, you know. Now, you know more you class here, or might say Abraham message, no. Oh, be being all the Tian Cosono, Nipa Bonesam, and Nibre and Moya, Baye, Sabi, and the Binom, Jane, Nyansa Nimiano, Mintini, Nyansa Nimia Bacono, so. And would be before be a binum trim. A dear never Unia once and what say no, Unia woman, you not one, now between the Aboniano. Abraham Ababe spreading message in a quack, just public no, what tell you quack. Young support Yeniano, now one yet divino. Woo and Nibrani are doing way a doubt to me, Yet Nananum Jawai, what did it to us a quaint?
Yes, there be many years to say my dear amount. Believe in Jesus. Yeah, baby, we interview now.